Welcome, loves. Today we are continuing to explore hip circles, but it will be on all fours if that's a comfortable position for you. We have practiced standing up with wall support, and it's the same idea. Being on all fours on the floor will allow a different range of motion and exploration of the movement. So find yourself on a mat. Really ground into the mat, feel how you are supported by the earth underneath you. And we're gonna just start gently circling the hips in a counterclockwise position. Slowly, you can almost imagine that there is a paintbrush on your tailbone and you are painting circles. Gradually, the circles can get bigger and bigger. Explore how slowly you can go with this movement. Notice how your spine follows the movement. Then we'll change directions and go clockwise. This time we'll start our circles big and we'll go smaller. And finally, we will explore figure eights, seeing if you can continue that infinity symbol with your hips and noticing how that feels in your body. Allow your spine to move freely and let your body be fluid. You can come resting down on the mat. After I move my hips like that, I like to explore a few other stretches. So please do what feels good for you. I'm coming into boat pose. And then coming back on my heels, getting a little bit of a front stretch and a chest stretch, feeling that openness. It's interesting to notice that when the hips and the pelvis start to open, it also starts to open the upper body. As we're sitting here on the heels, just a reminder that you can also explore those hip circles in this seated position or even cross-legged. Maybe we'll do that in the next video. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you'd like to explore more of this movement in a deeper way, I do have my Elements of Embodiment series, and I'll put that link in the description. Thank you so much.